like this, I really only have one thing to say to you.
Slap!
Oh, snap! With a big bang kind of attack.
Oh, this isn't gonna end well.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me! They're still alive? Oh, to hell with it! You cut through my armor! This was a gift from my father! I hated my father!
I'm sorry, I'm sure your father was a great man.
How dare you talk about my father like that? Finally, I can just sit back and enjoy myself. No cares in the world. I can just beat these worthless dreams all day long, and I think I'm forgetting something. Oh, the kid, that's right! I'll just become the mighty Ozaru. Wait, I don't have my tail. This fat should cut it off! No, stop it! Stop it! You! Why? Why won't you people just die?
Hey! Gohan's transformed! He's gonna save us all! Oh no! Gohan's transformed! He's gonna kill us all!
Oh, that's bullshit! I haven't killed a thing since I got to this godforsaken planet! Not for lack of trying, mind you. Hey, fat! You wanna take out this one's tail too? Fine! I'll do it myself then! Crushed and broken beneath an unconscious naked child. Yep, I think I'm done here.